Hi, mathematicians. I'm going to show you a game of Go Fish. My explanation will be pretty quick. If you have any questions, let me know. You can email me. Okay, so for Go Fish, we all start with 5 cards. It's hard to tell because they're white, but I have 5 cards. And mine are handwritten numbers, but you can use regular playing cards. But you do need a 0. Okay, so you could put a 0 over top of one of the face cards, like a jack, queen, or king. You can just put a sticky note or a piece of paper for a 0. Okay, so this game would be Go Fish to 10, or you could play Go Fish to 5 or Go Fish to 8. You can do anything you want, just make sure you don't have numbers higher than the target number that you're doing. So mine is Go Fish 10 that I'm playing right now. Okay, so I would have a partner that would also have 5 cards. Right? And so I have this number in my hand. When I ask my partner for a card, I'm going to ask them for what goes with this to make a 10. So my partner is not seeing my cards, only I get to see my cards. And I would say, do you have a 1? Because that's what goes with 9 to make 10. So if my partner had a 1, the partner would give it to me. I would take it. I would put my 9 and my 1 in my pile of winners. Okay. If they do not have a 1, they say, Go Fish. And then I have a pile of all my extras right here. Okay. And I would take one from the pile. Oh, guess what I got? I got a 1. So if I had not made that partnership of the 9, okay, and I picked up the 1, I can then use it to make the partner of 10 and put it down. Okay? Then it would be my partner's turn. Some people play if you get a match, you can keep going until you don't get a match. I like to just go back and forth. Okay, so my partner would ask, maybe my partner has a 3 in their hand. What would they need to go with a 3 to make 10? So if they had a 3, what do they need to make 10? So how many other fingers do I have down right now? I have 5 over here and 2 over here. So they would need a 7. Okay. So I would look at my cards. I do not have a 7. I would say, sorry, Go Fish. And they would have to pick out of the pile. Okay. So I'm going to do one more example. In my hand, I have the number 6. So what would I need to ask for? So if I'm not sure, I can use my fingers. So I have a 6. What do I have left to make 10? Let's look right here. I have 4. So I would be asking for a 4 if I had a 6 in my hand. So I would say, do you have a 4? My partner would say, nope, Go Fish. Or yes, if they had it. So I would go fish. I got an 8. So I put that in my hand. At any point, if I have numbers that make 10, I can take them. So if I had a 2 already in my hand and I just picked up an 8, I could make that partnership, but I do not have it. Okay? And we're doing just 2 cards that make 10. Okay? So if I wanted to play this with 5s, I would just have the cards 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I would ask the numbers that go with it to make 5. If I wanted to make 7, maybe I just want to change up the game and I want to make 7, I would have the numbers 0 through 7. Don't go any higher because we're not doing subtraction. We're just doing adding. What numbers go together to make that number? Okay, so that is a fun, quick way to practice adding your numbers. It can be just to that 5 or to the 10, or you can do anything in between. Have fun.